Alrighty, here we go. So a lot of people have been talking for years about a global financial reset, not in vague terms, but in clear, consistent warnings that the current system would eventually have to be rebuilt. This video is where I brief you on what's actually happening. Between this video and my post on the New Zealand Politics Includes International Facebook page, I'm going to tell you when this shift is going to happen, how it's going to happen, and what the ramifications will be for New Zealand. If you've been waiting for someone to cut through the noise and give you a straight, structured explanation, this is it. Let's get into it. All right, folks, listen closely, because what's about to happen in the global financial system is bigger than most people realize. And it's going to affect New Zealand directly. In July, BRICS launches a completely separate trading system, and it settles in gold. Not paper gold, not futures, not derivatives, physical metal. That means a second global trading platform outside the Western system becomes real for the first time since 1944. At the same time, the United States is signaling something extraordinary, tying US Treasury bonds to gold, not the dollar, the bonds. That lets America strengthen its debt while letting the dollar fall. The announcement for that I expect to be coming July 4th, the 250th anniversary of USA. And when a country with $40 trillion of debt wants its currency lower, it gets lower. So what does that mean for us here in New Zealand? Three things. First, the New Zealand dollar becomes more volatile. When the world splits into two monetary blocks, small currencies like ours get pushed around. Imports get more expensive. Everyday life gets more expensive. Second, gold and silver premiums in New Zealand explode. We already pay some of the highest premiums in the world. When the global system shifts to physical metal, those premiums go even higher. Third, our housing market, our banks, and our retirement funds are all tied to the old system. They're not positioned for a world where gold becomes the settlement anchor again. That means more pressure, more volatility, and more risk. This isn't fear-mongering, this is structural, and it's happening now. And New Zealand needs to understand it because we're not insulated, we're exposed. Now, if you want the full breakdown, I've put it on the Facebook group page. Read it, share it, and make sure people see it, because I have a full analysis of it there. Because the world is changing and we need to be ahead of it, not blindsided by it. Thank you for your time. This is Nigel Gray, and I will be around on the Facebook page for you to comment to. Thanks very much. And I'll just close this off. Well, where is it? Just yeah, here we go.